Welcome to Puerto Langosta here in Cozumel, Mexico. Come on with us for our excursion today. Okay everybody, we are now in Cozumel. It's Tuesday morning. We just got off the ship. It was easy to get off.
We rode the TikTok.
We did, the little triangle, three-wheel thing. Yeah.
TikTok?
Something like that.
A pedicab.
It's a three-wheel bicycle.
It's a pedicab.
A tricycle.
Pedicab.
Yeah, pedicab. So they got us over here, and we'll show you where the ship's at.
Here's our number 4 right there.
Oh, you've seen our number 4.
Yes.
There's the ship. There's the Scarlet Lady for y'all, parked here in...
He's coming down here. We want you.
This is Puerto Langosta, the downtown port. So there we are. There's the Scarlet Lady. And here we are in beautiful Cozumel. Get your duty-free stuff. We're going to go over here. We got number 4 excursion today. See that 4 he's holding out? Because we're going to be going and cooking up some Mexican food today. It's a short walk or pedicab ride from the ship to where you're going to meet the excursion. This is where you're going to come to right here and look for somebody carrying the number of the excursion you're going to be part of. Okay, we're at Playa Mia, right here at a resort. We're fixing to do our Mexican cooking lunch. It's going to be awesome. This place has a water park, as you can see, even with slides and pirate ships. Several other tours going on here today. It's a popular place, y'all. Let's come check it out next time you're in Cozumel.
Right here in my lap, we have Gamaliel. Gamaliel is in charge of the kitchen, so everything that you will see already chopped, already butchered, was his job. Thank you! More welcome. Thank you. And no less important, we have right here Gonzalo. Gonzalo is going to be your best friend. You don't want to say anything. Warning, he is not right getting drunk. He does a very good job, so we got now.
We booked this excursion through Virgin Voyages. It's called a Mexican Cuisine Workshop and Tasting. It's a 3-course meal. The aprons and hats were provided for us to wear while we were cooking, and plenty of tequila and rum were also provided. Okay, so we're in our cooking show now. It is actually air conditioning here. How about that? Yeah. This is great. You got all the setup over there. And here at our cooking station, there's 4 of us. We got this so far and that. Okay, Sea Lake Journey crew, we just washed our hands to La Cucaracha. You can only do that here in Mexico. What do you think of that?
La cucaracha, la cucaracha.
He don't run anymore.
Okay.
The cucaracha. I stepped on him on the floor. There were 3 courses to this meal. After we finished each course, it would be taken from us, and so we could have the station room to work on our next course. This is the hand washing station that we sang La Cucaracha to. Despite having the AC on in there, it did get warm inside the building once we started cooking. Everyone was in a great mood and had a great time. The chef gave excellent instructions. I even cooked fish, and I would never try to cook fish at home, and it came out fantastic.
Meal. You did a good job. Because that's
We did all the cooking downstairs on the ground floor. After the food was done, we had to walk up a flight of stairs to go eat in the main dining room. There is no elevator there, so if you're in a wheelchair or scooter, you won't be able to get up there. Okay, so we're going to sit down and eat our creations. I'll show you the first one, the starter.
Yeah, sure.
For our starter, we had Mexican sopas. Okay, y'all, this right here is the fish. I'm going to show you.
I got chicken.
Oh, we got chicken. Okay. So there's a substitute if you can't handle the
Yes,
fish.
they have all kinds of substitutes. If you're vegan, if you're gluten free, if you don't eat meat, they have lots of options for you. I don't eat fish, and they give you chicken.
Let's see that chicken. That's the finished entree right there, y'all. I'll show you mine here in a I got the fish.
Smell good?
It's going to be great. Can we taste it?
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh my God.
Is it good?
Wonderful. I will definitely eat this again. My compliments to the chef. The food turned out fantastic. The fish was probably the best fish I've ever eaten, and those chocolate covered plantains at the end, oh yummy! Okay, so this is a great little plaza here. All kinds of leather shops, clothing shops, tequila shops. Any of that stuff that you want, they've got it right here. And so our lunch fiesta is over. So we got about a half hour before the bus gets here to just show you around the port so you'll know what to see when you get here yourself. There's the Mayan Cacao Company. How about that? All kinds of chocolate stuff over there. That's where the taxis and the buses will bring you to get you out here to your excursion. Okay, so they advertise the outside massage place right here. All right, we got Tarzan. So yeah, you get outdoor massage here. 30 minutes and even more if you want. Got sales going around. We got a $5 sale in there. You want something? We got the fish, Guarana fish therapy over there. Nails. Get your nails done here. Get your hair braided. Get some wraps. Try some Mexican cuisine. And we got a drugstore that also offers professional teeth whitening. Discount pharmacy right here. So come on down to Cozumel. Check out these places for yourself. Okay, who we got? We got Esteban. Tell us where in the world we're at.
Welcome to Playa Mia, guys.
Playa Mia, right there. Esteban's our guide. He's got us here safely. We fought off 2 Tyrannosaurus Rexes, 1 Godzilla, and a Kraken. But we made it here safely and got to lunch, so thanks a lot, Esteban.
My pleasure, guys.
Now it's time to say goodbye to Playa Mia and head back to the Scarlet Lady. Okay, so we're coming up on the ship.
If we go.
And there's the pedicabs right there.
Might be his.
We're going to ride one of them rascals back to the ship. Look at that beautiful. First I'm going to give a friend here $5 to get me back over. Because I sure as hell don't want to walk it. Look at this. You want to walk on that leg? No, nobody wants to walk on that leg.
Thank you. What's your name?
Billy.
Philip.
All right, excellent. Thanks for the ride, brother. Okay, y'all, check it out. We are on the pedicab. That's right, it's that tricycle outside your ship. They'll take you from the ship up to the port entry, or from the port entry back to the ship. It wasn't like that. Don't bring no animals on the ship. It's illegal. Yeah. So bring cash, American cash. It's good everywhere. We're going to miss Cozumel for a while.
A little bit. So, what did the chicken say when you wanted to get on the cruise ship?
That ain't how it goes. Why did the chicken get on
Why
the cruise
did the chicken get on the cruise ship? Do you know why the chicken went on the cruise ship? What's his name? Richard? What's your name? What's your name? Philip. Do you know why the chicken wanted to go on the cruise ship?
Thanks. We appreciate it. Thank you. I did. I gave him before we even started. Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Ta-da! We'll see you again, Philip. We had a great day on this excursion, the Mexican cuisine workshop and tasting here in Cozumel. And I gotta tell you, the food was fantastic and we would love to go back again. And the chicken crossed the road because...
If you would like to support this channel, please consider becoming a member. Or hit the super thanks icon below. We really do appreciate it. Until next time, we'll see you around the channel.
See you around the